Understanding the phrase, "That's off-key," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, "That's off-key." This expression is not just about music but can be applied in various contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. In the literal sense, off-key is a musical term. It refers to singing or playing a note that is not in harmony with the other notes. Imagine a piano where one key sounds different from the rest. That's being off-key. But there's more to this phrase than just music. When we use "that's off-key" in everyday conversation, it usually means something is not quite right or inappropriate in a given situation. It's like hitting a wrong note, but in terms of social interactions or behaviors. For instance, if someone makes a joke that doesn't fit the mood of the room, you might say, "That joke was a bit off-key." To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. At work, your colleague suggests an idea that doesn't align with the project's goals. You might say, "Your suggestion seems a bit off-key with what we're trying to achieve." 2. In social settings, a friend comments awkwardly in a group, making others uncomfortable. You might later tell them, "Your comment was off-key for the situation." There are other ways to convey a similar meaning. Phrases like "out of place," "not fitting," or "inappropriate" can be used in similar contexts. It's always good to know synonyms for more dynamic conversation skills. That wraps up our exploration of "that's off-key." Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can be used both literally and figuratively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.